Hi there, welcome back to the .store channel. In this video, I will walk you through the steps of customizing your WordPress login page using the LoginCraft plugin. Let's get started. If you're creating a website using the default WordPress, you'll notice a generic WordPress login page. However, you can and should customize it to match your branding and preferences. Designing a login page will greatly benefit your site. It will improve user experience and enhance your branding strategy. Moreover, you can add extra security features to help prevent brute force attacks or spam attacks on your site. In this video, I'll show you how to transform your WordPress login page from its default design to this one, with your custom brand logo and background. Let's dive in. First, we need to install the LoginCraft plugin. To do this, log into your WordPress website, navigate to Plugins, and click on Add New. In the search bar, type LoginCraft and look for the plugin. Click on Install, then activate it. After activation, you'll find a new menu for LoginCraft in your WordPress dashboard sidebar. Click on it to access the plugin settings. Here, we will customize and secure our login page. Let's go through each setting one by one. The first option we have is URL customization. In this section, you can customize the default WordPress login URL, which is wp-admin by default. You can change it to a custom private URL of your choice. For example, we will include .login as our custom URL. If a user tries to visit an incorrect or unauthorized login URL, you can either display a custom message or redirect them to a 404 page, the home page, or any other custom URL. For now, we will go with the default message option. You can enter a message that will be displayed to users when they attempt to log in using the wrong URL. Next, we have logo customization. By default, WordPress displays the WordPress logo on the login page, but you can replace it with your own brand logo. For example, I am selecting a .store logo. You can also define the width and height of the logo and set a logo URL to redirect users when they click on it, such as your site's homepage. The next option is form customization. Here, you can add a title above the form, such as Welcome to the .store or whatever you want. Then, define its font size and color. If needed, remove the reset password link. Enabling this option will hide the reset password link from the login form. After that, we have background customization. You can either set a background color or choose a background image for your login page. In this example, I am selecting a background image. Once all customization changes are made, click the Save button. Now, let's visit our login page to check the changes. First, let's try accessing the default login URL, wp-admin. As you can see, it displays our custom message, which we said earlier, you are not allowed to access this page. Now, let's try our custom login URL, .login, that we configured in the plugin settings. As you can see, we can now access the login page with our custom brand logo, form title, and background image. Additionally, the reset password link is no longer visible, as we removed it from the settings. Now, let's check out some additional security features that we can set up with the LoginCraft plugin to help prevent brute force attacks, bots, or spam attacks on your website. Scroll down to the bottom of the plugin setup page, and you will find the extra security features section. Here, we can set the maximum login attempts for users. For example, if we set the limit to 2 attempts, users will only have 2 chances to enter the correct credentials. If they fail, they will be locked out for a defined timeline. In the next fields, you can set a timeout in minutes and a custom message for the locked out. Now, go to the plugin settings, where you will find another security feature, Google reCAPTCHA. Enabling Google reCAPTCHA helps prevent bots or spam attacks on your website. Our plugin supports both reCAPTCHA versions 2 and 3. To enable it, enter your reCAPTCHA site key and secret key, which you can find in the Google reCAPTCHA admin panel. You can view the key by clicking on the eye icon. Additionally, you can customize the reCAPTCHA theme, light or dark, and adjust the size settings for better design integration. Once all settings are configured, click the Save button. Now, let's see these security features in action. On the login page, you can see that Google reCAPTCHA is now enabled for login authentication. Let's test the login attempt restriction by entering an incorrect password. After the first failed attempt, we get a warning message stating that we have one login attempt remaining. After entering the wrong credentials again, the account gets locked out, and we are unable to log in. The message confirms that we must wait 1 minute before trying again. This is how the login attempt restriction and reCAPTCHA features work to enhance your website's security. Lastly, we have the site visibility option, where we can configure site protection settings. With this feature, we can enable password protection for the front end of our website. This ensures that only users with a valid password can access the site's content. Toggle the Enable Password Protection option. Set your password in the provided field and click on the eye icon to view the password if needed. After that, if your site is under maintenance, being updated, or undergoing development, you can enable maintenance mode. This will display a custom message to visitors, informing them that the website is temporarily unavailable. To configure maintenance mode, enter a title and description for the maintenance page. You can also select a background image to enhance the design. Click the Save Changes button once you are done. Now, let's see these features in action. When a user tries to visit the site, they will see a password protection prompt. After entering the correct password, the site content becomes accessible. If maintenance mode is enabled, users will see the custom maintenance message instead of the website content as we configured in the plugin settings. That's all about the LoginCraft plugin. I hope this video guide was helpful to you. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. For premium plugins, visit our website, and to test the plugin, click on the link below given in the description. Thanks for watching, and make sure you hit the like and subscribe buttons.